Hey guys, please watch my video till end because the quality content which I will provide you in or less than 3 minutes will be priceless and very useful to you. It might change your life, so I don't think you will skip my video. So let's start the powerful video. Depending on how much you eat and how you eat in general, eating dry vegetables every day can be both good for and bad for your health. When eaten in balance, dry fruits like almonds, walnuts, raisins, apricots, and dates are full of nutrients and good for your health in many ways. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. Here are some things that could happen if you eat dry apples every day. Effects that are good. 1. Rich in nutrients. Vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants are just some of the important nutrients that are in dry fruits. They have a lot of vitamin E, calcium, potassium, and fiber, all of which can help your health as a whole. 2. Health of the heart. Some dry foods, like almonds and walnuts, have monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that are good for the heart and can help lower the risk of heart disease when eaten as part of a balanced diet. 3. How to lose weight. Even though they have calories, dry fruits can be a tasty snack that may help control hunger and keep you from eating too much between meals. This could help you manage your weight. 4. Digestive health. The fiber in dry fruits can help keep your digestive system healthy by keeping you from getting constipated and helping you have normal bowel movements. 5. Boost of energy. Dry fruits are high in energy and can give you a quick boost of energy when you need it. This makes them a good choice for runners and other people who are very active. Effects that are bad. 1. How many calories you eat. Dry fruits have a lot of calories, so eating too many of them can make you gain weight if you don't make up for it with other foods and activities. 2. The amount of sugar. Dates and raisins are two dry foods that have a lot of natural sugars. When people with diabetes or who are trying to limit their sugar intake eat too much of these sugary kinds, their blood sugar levels can go up. 3. Control of portions. Because dry fruits are small and have strong flavors, it's easy to eat too many of them. This can make you eat too many calories if you don't watch how much you eat. 4. About allergies. Some people may be allergic to or sensitive to certain kinds of dried fruits. It's important to know if you have any allergies and to avoid eating dry foods that can cause allergies. 5. Health of the teeth. Some dried fruits, like raisins, are sticky and can stick to teeth, making them more likely to get cavities if good oral care isn't kept up. In conclusion, eating a range of dry fruits every day can be good for you as long as you don't overdo it and eat a balanced diet. It's important to watch your portion sizes and think about your general diet goals and health. If you have special dietary needs or health problems, it's best to talk to a doctor or trained dietitian for personalized advice on how to add dry fruits to your daily routine. Like, share, subscribe and comment.